this is the vortex with the light kit in it. It is a 5-volt light kit, so I'm powering it with this 180 milliamp battery that powers the light kit, and it works good. You know, your one cell battery charges up to 4.2 volts. It'll actually run the light kit until it gets down to 3 volts. It'll start to fade a little bit. So it's pretty, thought that was pretty cool that you could do that. This is a little quad battery. Like I said, 180 milliamp one cell. The light kit came with a remote, and right there's my little infrared. I stuck it through there, and you can make this strobe and do all kinds of cool stuff with it. Let's see, this will fade in and out. The tail I just hooked up to two connections. I use the red and the blue, so you can actually turn the tail off with if you turn it to certain colors here. So let's see, if we go to red, the tail goes off. I think so. It all depends on where you get your power from on the output side over here. I just ran 2 wires over to power that. Anyway, so when you're flying, you'll be able to change. You should be able to fly by and change, make it fade or do whatever. So you can get a little blinking effect there and everything. It looks pretty cool though. I think it turned out well, and it's still pretty light in here. So I think it'll light up really good at night. The bottom, obviously, will have more light. It'll be pointing the direction that you're going to travel. Bottom's lighter, brighter than the top, you know, because of the tail underneath and the thickness. There's 2 layers of foam above the lights. So anyway, I thought that was kind of cool, and you know, I'll show you how it flies.